Camping can be a fun experience, but even we can admit that sleeping on the ground isn't the most comfortable. Foam pads and air mattresses have been standard sleep tools for campers, but they have drawbacks. If you're looking for a versatile way to sleep comfortably outdoors, read on, you can scroll through to see all of our recommended buys, or jump to the camping cot you're looking for. Number 1, Coleman Trailhead II Camping Cot. The Trailhead II Cot from Coleman, $60, is spacious enough to fit sleepers over 6 feet tall and keeps all sleepers over a foot off the ground. The attached side pockets add a great touch of organization, holding your glasses, headlamp, and other smaller items. The rails are slightly elevated to add security and prevent sleepers from rolling off. The canvas is firm and supportive, and it has a frame sturdy enough to withstand you and your tent mates fighting over who gets to sleep in it. This cot's steel X-shaped frame and double stitching add durability, giving you years of use before breaking down. It folds up and stores in the included carry case, so it's easy to store and pack in the car. At a whopping 21 pounds, the car is definitely where you'll pack it, as there's no way you'll want to carry this bad boy in your backpack. The biggest dig we've found with the Trailhead 2 is the assembly. We've had reports that the end braces are difficult to attach to the frame, making it likely that you'll have to use some leverage to attach the second brace. Pros: comfortable, roomy side pockets, sturdy frame. Cons: large packing size, heavy. Number 2, Coleman Airbed Twin Camping Cot. If a comfortable night's sleep is your top priority, look no further than the Airbed Cot, $160, from Coleman. Part inflatable mattress and part portable cot, this sleeping solution takes camping to a new level of luxury. Thanks to Coleman's leak-proof system, you can count on this inflatable cot to remain fully pumped throughout the night. Additionally, advanced coil construction offers top-notch support and an impressive capacity of 300 pounds. The durable steel frame unfolds quickly, and 2 pull-out side tables provide space for drinks and personal items. Though this cot will inevitably take up a significant amount of storage space in your kit, it does have a versatile design that will allow you to get the most out of its bulky size. The cot and airbed can be separated to create sleeping space for 2. This cot comes with a sewn-in cover, a 4D pump for easy inflation, and a burly carrying bag. It is also available as a queen, which is great for couples. It can hold up to 300 pounds in weight and is best for people under 6 feet tall. At 30 pounds, this isn't a trekking cot in the slightest, but it'll be worth it for car camping or if you have guests. Pros: sturdy frame, very comfortable. Not prone to leaks, included electric pump. Cons: bulky, difficult to wash. Number 3, Coleman ComfortSmart Camp Cot. The Coleman ComfortSmart offers luxury camping in a foldable camp bed thanks to the inclusion of a thick foam mattress, providing more comfort than most camp cots with a simple top fabric. The ComfortSmart is available in 2 sizes. The larger ComfortSmart Deluxe can fit campers up to 6 feet 6 inches, and the smaller standard size, campers up to 5 feet and 7 inch long. Despite its small size when unfolded, this bifold camping cot is still a bulky 40 inches by 30 inches by 6 inches when packed up. If comfort is your most important criteria, then it's pretty much a straight-out head-to-head battle between the ComfortSmart and the REI Kingdom 3. In our opinion, the ComfortSmart is moderately more comfortable than the Kingdom, but the Kingdom's overall features ultimately win at the top prize overall. For us beginners, the extra width of this is welcome, the length is nice, and it's pretty comfortable. I used it for about 15 nights last summer and so far so good. Another tall reviewer writes, if people only knew how hard it is to find a size 15 shoe at Walmart, they would understand why finding this cot makes me so happy. And hundreds more 5-star reviewers use the word easy to describe this cot, be it easy to fold up and transport, easy to set up, or easy to wipe down/clean after a dusty camping trip. Number 4, Coleman Converta Folding Camping Cot. If you are shopping on a budget, then we highly recommend you check out the Coleman Converta Folding Cot. This relatively inexpensive cot not only functions as a sleeping surface but also can convert to a lounge chair. It's fairly easy to carry and quick to put together, with an overall construction that seems decently durable in our experience. We found it to be very comfortable both as a cot and a chair and appreciate the different reclining levels you have to choose from when in chair mode. With the adjustable brace, unfortunately, this cot doesn't pack down to be the smallest and is a bit on the heavy side, so you will probably be restricted to car camping or similar when using this product. Definitely isn't the most backpacking friendly option out there. We also found that it can be a little finicky to fully engage the back adjustment mechanism sometimes. requiring just a bit of extra pressure to snap it into place. All in all, we think these are minor flaws and we highly recommend this product to anyone shopping for a new cot without spending a ton of cash. Number 5. Coleman ComfortSmart Camping Cot. The ComfortSmart Cot from Coleman, $90, provides the most comfort you can get per dollar spent. The thick foam sleeping pad acts as a mattress for bed-like cushioning. The coil suspension system imitates a box spring as well, giving you a closer approximation to your bed at home. The strong steel frame adds durability, and the simple folding design means you can set it up in minutes. The length will fit sleepers up to 6'6" tall and can hold up to 275 pounds, so it can handle everyone from the average NFL tight end to kids. We love the simplicity and comfort. You're basically getting a portable bed with this cot. One thing to consider with ComfortSmart is its huge packed size, as it's built for camping right next to your car. It folds down into a quarter of its full length, which gives it a square profile that is very cumbersome to carry. It takes up a lot of space in the car as well. If you're not traveling in an SUV or wagon, it's going to take over a lot of real estate in your trunk. It will surely consume more of your trunk space, but this also means that setup is as simple as unfolding the cot and you're good to go.